to the Houston waterfall to just suck. Are you ready? We went to church, from church, came to the Houston waterfall to just soak. Here we are. This is Patrick, TJ, and Emmanuel are in the car. I changed in church because I wanted to be comfortable. So immediately after church, I took out my, okay, take now. Immediately after church, I took out my church outfit and I got just comfortable. We just want to come back, just enjoy the waterfall and just walk around a little bit and we'll be done. Very calming place, guys. Let's go. You ready? Yeah.
There is nothing you cannot do. You cannot. If you have said it, then you will do it. Why? You have a track record in your word. You're not about to stop doing it. Hey, Ọlọ́run àgbáyé o. You are mighty o. Ọlọ́run àgbáyé o. You are mighty o. Ṣé bí wọ́n lọ fojú ọ̀run? Ṣàṣọ̀bọ̀ra. Ṣé bí yín lọ fojú ọ̀run? Ṣàṣọ̀bọ̀ra. Ọlọ́run àgbáyé o. You are mighty o. By the blood that you shed, we have overcome. This time stand up, we did for tonight. And you gave us the right to your holy name. The center of power and strength. There is nothing you cannot change. There is no bondage you cannot break. If you have said, hey,
Okay, from here.
if you have said,
Yeah, this is very good.
why? You have a track record of keeping your word.
Pictures or video?
You're not about to stop doing it now.
Ọlọ́run àgbáyé o, you are mighty. Ọlọ́run àgbáyé, you are mighty o. Ọlọ́run àgbáyé o, you are mighty. Ṣebí wà ló fojú àrùn ṣàṣọ bora. Ìwọ ló fojú ọ̀run tó wọ̀ ọ́ bí agbádá. Èjìká rẹ̀ aṣọ ibẹ̀ ẹ̀kùn. Ìwọ ló wà láàrin àwọn áńgẹ́lì lọ́run. Ṣebí wà náà ní òfin gbogbo ẹ̀ bora. Alágbádá iná aláwọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ oòrùn. Ọ̀pá kan wò kan yè. Ojí kan lù kán pa olówó orí ayé bàbá mi àgbà ńlá. Onígbà àjọ, onígbà ọlá, onígbà ọ̀rọ̀, onígbà ògo, onígbà owó, onígbà ọlá, onígbà ire, onígbà ire, onígbà ayọ̀, onígbà ògo, onígbà ọlá, onígbà ògo, kò sẹ́ni tó dàbí rẹ̀. Bàbá ńlá. Ọlọ́run àgbáyé o, ìwà mighty o. Pátápátá ọlápọ̀rọ̀gọ́dọ̀ yìí.
Aha.
Aláfúnfún gbòò.
Hey.
Mọ̀rímọ̀rí ti mọ̀rí ọmọ tuntun. Òwò ẹ̀ mọ̀mọ́ dákẹ́.
Just lift your hands, don't just enjoy it. Bless the name of the Lord. Lift up your voice and bless Him.
Dákẹ́.
Lift up your head so eager.
Olówó orí ayé nìyàn, olówó orí ọ̀run ló jẹ́. Ó ṣáájú
Let the
ayé
King of
dé, ó
Glory
ṣáájú
show up.
ọ̀run bọ̀ ògo fòkọ. Ológo ńlá ẹ̀rù jẹjẹ àkọ́bí. Every day,
Testimony,
everywhere,
testimony.
full of praise. And in the morning